All right, this is Jazzman RC. We're in the garage doing some maintenance on my 2.6 meter Viper jet from Skymaster. This airplane roughly has 5 flights on it. I got this airplane probably 3 or 4 months ago. I'm pretty sure I did something on YouTube on it. This airplane has a Sweetwind 170 for power. The airplane is 37 pounds. The Sweetwind 170 is 37 pounds, so it flies wonderful. Great fuel consumption because you don't have to ride on the power. Matter of fact, I probably shouldn't have did it, but I almost took off with half power. So that's how much power this airplane has. Unfortunately, last week I got the cockpit deck in the pilot. This weekend I took it out for the first time with the cockpit deck in there. And if you look really closely here, you can see the back panel cover, it actually warped. The front one also warped. But over the last 2 days, I was able to make one out of wood. So I'm gonna do the back cover also, make it out of wood. It warped and it was no sun out. It was just from the heat. So 2.6 meter Viper jet. And if you look over here, this is my good old trusty faithful BVM 1/6 scale Dark Falcon powered by a Sweetwind 190. Took this one out this weekend to put a flight on it. I hadn't flown it since Kentucky Jets. Unfortunately, I had an old Gremlin creep back up with the brakes. So she's going back up on the stand here so I can go ahead and get the brakes fixed for the Dark Falcon. Next week is Superjet South. I'm going to be bringing the Dark Falcon. I'm going to bring the Viper jet. Should be good times. But also, I got an old friend that's coming back out. So this is the Ram F-15. I've been working on it for about a year straight. I did put it down for a couple months. I had surgery on my foot. So I put it up on the rafters. She's back down because once these other airplanes, once all the maintenance is completed on it, I'm gonna jump back on this project. If you notice here, I have two boxes here. So strangely enough, I had 280 Sweetwinds in here. One was gold, one was silver. I could not stand that they did not match. The colors did not match. So I sold both of those engines. And last week, I just picked up 2 more. So I got a Sweetwind 80, that's silver. And I have another Sweetwind 80 that is silver. So I know, a little strange. My buddies always say it doesn't matter, but I wanted them to match. This airplane has been 8 years in the making. If you notice, I pulled back out the air system. I'm actually gonna replumb it, make it look a little bit better in the inside. So after Superjet South, hopefully I should be able to put its first test flight on it. So Ram F-15, 2 Sweetwind 80s. This is gonna be good times. All right, Jazzman RC coming from the garage.